get the best beauty advice from the owner of Event E Studio Salon, Mr. John Marcelino.
Hi.
Hello, Mr. John Marcelino.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, so why don't you tell us about how you got started in the industry and with makeup?
I started way back 2007. I used to be a makeup for 5 years. Then, since passion ko yung pag-makeup and gusto ko talaga mag-makeup, lumarakit ako every weekend. Then, nagkaroon ako ng salon after 2 years after I resigned.
What's the difference between makeup for TV and makeup for brides?
Sa TV kasi, more on natural, mas less yung makeup. Sa bride kasi, talagang hindi pwede yung no makeup look lang. So, dapat talaga may enhancement siya.
What do you love most about makeup?
Yung transformation. Kahit manipis yung makeup na nagagawa mo when it comes to TV commercial and all, maganda pa rin yung outcome niya.
What are your special promotion for on-site bookers?
Sa mga magbubook siguro ng mga dalawang packages ko, magbibigay ako ng mga free na treatment sa skin and for the bride and groom.
Weddings and Beyond gives you the opportunity to make your next event the best event yet. With top-of-the-line suppliers present in one roof, you'll surely get your pick of the best.
Genly Events is a wedding coordination company established 2006. So we cater to social events and corporate events. Also a certified wedding planner under Weddings Beautiful Worldwide. Also a speaker at Business Coach, so we also teach startup coordinators in the industry. We cater to only one wedding per day to make sure that we give quality to every client and that we take care of every wedding. We are a member of Weddings and Events Professionals Association of the Philippines. So we learn from each other's experiences, the latest trends. The best part of the job is being part of their special day, of their journey to forever. What I can suggest is really for them to scout suppliers kung saan sa tingin nila makakakuha sila ng mas maraming ideas and service or ganon. Sa upcoming bridal fair, we will give up to 50% off only sa Weddings and Beyond Expo.